Yun. Good day po, no? So, as of now, we are preparing po for tomorrow. So, ito po ay para sa aming one-day event for your Joyride, TFS and TFP. Ayan. So, ayan po. Okay? There. So, nag-arrange na po kami ng table. So, guys, for those who would like to take advantage of or opportunity po, no? Na nandito na po ang Joyride, ang TFS, and your Toyota Fairview, lalo naman kami special promo for your Vios XLE CVT. Bisita po sila tomorrow, no? Pa-approve na po sila para po kayo po ay makapagsimula ng maaga at ng magaan, no? Sa Joyride po, no? We will see you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions po, please call me po.